most innovative and boundary-pushing concepts in modern living. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting trends in modern architecture, the container house with a deck. But what exactly does this mean? At its core, a container house is a dwelling repurposed from steel shipping containers, those massive boxes you see on cargo ships. When we add a deck to the equation, we are talking about an integrated outdoor platform, usually made of wood, composite, or stone, that extends the living space from the interior of the steel shell to the great outdoors. This combination creates a seamless transition between a rugged, industrial interior and the natural environment, effectively doubling your usable floor space without the high cost of traditional concrete construction. There are numerous benefits to opting for a container house equipped with a spacious deck, starting with affordability and speed. Because the structural shell of the house is already built, you save significantly on labor and materials, allowing you to funnel more of your budget into high-quality decking materials that enhance your lifestyle. Furthermore, these homes are incredibly sustainable. You are essentially recycling several tons of steel that would otherwise sit in a scrapyard. The addition of a deck specifically helps with temperature regulation, providing a shaded area that prevents the steel walls from absorbing too much direct sunlight. Perhaps most importantly, a deck solves the claustrophobia issue often associated with tiny living. It provides a dedicated zone for entertaining, yoga, or outdoor dining, making a small footprint feel like a sprawling estate. To make your container house exterior look truly high-end, you must focus on the balance between industrial metal and warm, organic textures. Start by choosing a sophisticated paint palette. Matte blacks, deep navy blues, or even earthy terracottas work beautifully against the natural grain of a wooden deck. Lighting is the next crucial element. Incorporate recessed LED strips along the deck stairs and industrial-style sconces near the doors to create a warm, inviting glow at night. To soften the harsh lines of the container, use living walls or large potted plants like ornamental grasses and oversized ferns. Adding glass sliding doors is a pro-level decorating tip because it reflects the surrounding landscape, making the container appear to blend into the trees rather than just sitting on top of the grass. Finally, don't forget the furniture. Choose weather-resistant pieces with clean lines that mirror the minimalist aesthetic of the house itself. When it comes to the best styles for container houses with decks, the modern industrial look remains the reigning champion, characterized by raw steel accents and dark wood stains. However, we are seeing a massive rise in the Scandi rustic style, which uses light-colored cedar decking and white-painted containers to create a bright, airy, and peaceful vibe. For those in coastal or tropical areas, the island escape style is perfect, featuring bright blue or green containers paired with wraparound decks and thatched roof overhangs. If you prefer something more grounded, the mountain cabin style utilizes heavy timber framing for the deck and dark, forest green exteriors to help the structure disappear into the woods. Each of these styles emphasizes the deck as a bridge between the man-made structure and the natural world, ensuring that your home feels like a sanctuary rather than just a box. Now, let's look at the top 10 best container house with deck ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. One, the multi-level modern masterpiece. This stunning dark-themed container home uses a vertical stack to maximize views. The wooden boardwalk deck leads directly to the ground floor entrance, surrounded by lush ornamental grasses that soften the black steel. The large floor-to-ceiling windows turn the entire structure into a glowing lantern at night, proving that container living can be incredibly luxurious. 2. The elevated panoramic lookout. A brilliant example of architectural engineering. This home features a cantilevered top floor that creates a naturally shaded patio underneath. The upper level deck is enclosed with a sleek white railing, offering a private perch to overlook the landscape. It's a perfect design for those who want a dedicated outdoor lounge area while keeping a compact footprint. 3. The rustic L-shaped retreat. This design utilizes two containers joined at an angle to create a private, sheltered deck area. The dark purple-black exterior provides a stunning contrast to the light wood flooring of the deck. With glass French doors opening wide, the indoor dining area and the outdoor patio become one large entertaining space, perfect for summer parties. 4. The cozy rooftop garden container. Who says a deck has to be on the ground? This vibrant blue container home features a ground-level concrete patio and a magnificent green roof garden. The orange accent chairs and minimalist landscaping give it a mid-century modern flair, while the sliding glass doors ensure the interior is flooded with natural light. 5. The industrial greenhouse fusion. This unique setup features a glass-enclosed roof over the deck area, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors even when it rains. The use of reclaimed wood for the tables and benches complements the rusted orange hue of the container walls. It's a warm, organic space that feels more like a high-end bistro than a shipping container. 6. The classic timber-framed cabin. Set against a backdrop of autumn trees, this black container home uses bright wooden accents around the windows and a matching elevated deck. The deck features a built-in staircase and a secure wooden railing, making it a practical and beautiful choice for sloped terrains or wooded lots. 7. The sun-drenched coastal escape. Bright blue paint makes this container pop against the sandy landscape. The multi-level wooden deck creates different zones for sunbathing and relaxing. Notice how the large sliding doors are positioned to catch the sea breeze, making this the ultimate low-maintenance beach house. 8. The sunset lounge deck. This design focuses on the golden hour. The extra-wide wooden deck provides plenty of room for Adirondack chairs and a large sun umbrella. The warm yellow interior lights reflecting off the wood create a cozy, high-end atmosphere that is perfect for winding down after a long day. 9. The wide plank urban porch. Simple yet effective, this long black container uses a full-length porch to extend the living area. The lightwood trim around the windows and doors adds a touch of farmhouse style to the industrial shell. It's an approachable, DIY-friendly design that offers maximum curb appeal. 10. The red oxide industrial deck. Embracing the original look of a shipping container, this home keeps the iconic red oxide color, but pairs it with a beautiful, clean-lined wooden deck. The inclusion of a ramp makes the space accessible, while the surrounding green lawn provides a sharp, clean contrast to the industrial metal. Building a container house with a deck isn't just about saving money. It's about reimagining what a home can be. It's about breaking down the walls between your living room and the nature that surrounds it. Whether you are looking for a weekend getaway or a permanent sustainable residence, these designs show that with a little creativity and a lot of wood, you can turn a humble shipping box into a world-class architectural statement. If you enjoyed these container home inspirations, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more daily architecture and decor tips. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your dream container home project. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an upload.